Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay when it says verify your identity. So guys, if you want to verify your identity on your Apple Pay, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, all you have to do is that simply open your wallet app, and from here tap on setup now, tap on continue, and wait here for some seconds, and now it says verify your identity. Simply tap on continue, again tap on continue, and check your first name and last name, and from here verify your identity, enter address manually. So guys, you have to simply enter it, and after this go back, and after this you have to simply save the information like this if it gives you some restrictions. So guys, simply verify your identity. Here it will ask you for your identity card to set up or run your Apple Pay. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then restart your device for one time. So guys, simply restart it, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open your sport app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.